and Namaste. Welcome to yet another episode of Mahotsav series. I am Riya Jain and I hope आप और आपके परिवार वाले सभी लोग स्वस्थ और सुरक्षित होंगे. I am super stoked to bring to you a magnificent collection under our brand Nimaya, a brand which caters to rich and royally handcrafted, traditionally appealing set of bridal lehengas. वेडिंग सीजन ऑनगोइंग है और आप और मैं हम सभी किसी ना किसी की वेडिंग अभी ज़रूर अटेंड करने वाले होंगे. सो वी थॉट दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट टाइम टू ब्रिंग टू यू अ कलेक्शन ऑफ मेस्मराइजिंग एंड मैग्निफिसेंट ब्राइडल लहंगास जो आप या आपके कस्टमर्स या कोई भी ब्राइड टू बी जिसे आप जानते हैं इन कलेक्शन का लुत्फ उठा सकें. So before I begin the show, I would like to tell you, in case you like any of the bridal lehengas, feel free to drop in a comment below और description box में दिए गए numbers पर या social media links पर आप connect कर सकते हैं. So let's begin the show. A very classic, traditionalistic yet designer velvet bridal lehenga in a shade of pure Shadiwala red, with a broad geometrical border at the bottom, the lower half of the lehenga with asymmetric temple motifs filled with delicate floral embroidery, and the upper half studded with diamond-shaped buttas, everything studded with pure Swarovski handwork. It is paired with beautiful latkans, a similar round neck blouse, and a net dupatta with a broad border and similar small butties. A glorious lehenga for a glorious bride. Rich in shade of Rani pink and richer in combination of modern and traditionalistic motifs, this Swarovski crystals studded lehenga with multi-layered can, floral embroidered jals, embroidered nefa, gorgeous latkans, and matching round neck velvet embroidered blouse in princess cut style, all studded with pure handwork stoned, and a net dupatta, a dream design for brides जिन्हें ट्रेडिशनल में हल्का सा मॉडर्न टच पसंद हो. Super royal and magnificent, this bridal lehenga is all about royal Indian weddings. Red color, rich velvet fabric, beautifully handcrafted floral motifs with peacocks, parrots and elephants, as well as classic Indian paisley motifs. This lehenga is encrusted with pure Swarovski hand crystals and prettier latkans. Blouse is matching with the motifs of the lehenga and it is paired with a matching maroon net dupatta embroidered with similar butties. Curated in deep rich Rani pink velvet and ornately embroidered in multiple delicate motifs, a broad border at the bottom, a huge prominent oval with florals in the middle and a floral jal at the top of the skirt, and paired with prettiest of latkans. This lehenga is a bridal dream come true. Paired with matching princess line velvet blouse and a soft pink net dupatta, we bet you are going to fall in love with this one. Let me also tell you, this is our most precious and most loved bridal lehenga of the season. We've seen ombre effect in colors. Here's an ombre styled bridal lehenga with a scalloped edge border and gradually going to temple-like motifs infused with florals in bigger sizes and eventually going up in smaller sizes The flow of the motifs is as unique and as eye-catching as it can get. The lehenga is paired with gorgeous latkans, a velvet blouse in matching motifs, and a net dupatta. What's unmissable is the glittery glimpse of the lehenga that's adorned with hundreds of pure stone handwork. Designed on a reddish pink velvet, this lehenga is infused with the combination of geometrical and floral motifs and resham threads in peaches, greens along with gold zari. What's even more beautiful is the attention-grabbing teal blue patchwork in the Mughal window-style motif. It is paired with lightly embroidered blouse and a pink net dupatta. For a bride that's unconventional and want to experiment with little colors, this lehenga is perfect fit for you. With multicolored patchwork in rose pink with elephant motifs, mustard temple motif patchwork with floral embroideries, and multi-triangular patchworks with detailed embroideries, this lehenga is a work of art. Paired with simple latkans and simpler blouse and a scalloped edge net dupatta in blue to enhance the karigari of lehenga, this lehenga is one of a kind for one of a kind bride. Let me tell you, this is hands down our most unique and exclusive design with its experimental outlook. And that's it for this episode. In Mahotsav, we make sure to play with motifs and embroideries as much as we can so that आपको बहुत सारी variety और variations मिल सकें. For any enquiries, please contact all the numbers given in the description box below. आप हमें हमारे सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, पिंटरेस्ट सभी पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं टू स्टे अपडेटेड एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. If you are a wholesaler or retailer, there is a special Mahotsav application just for you. Download it from Play Store or App Store today. I'll be back again with yet another beautiful collection next week. Till then, stay safe and celebrate every moment.